Do you have any rooms? Oh no, but I'm going to have a baby.
I've got another idea. Somewhere you can stay for the night. The wood is old and it's cold. It's a stable. But before you put up a fight, open your mind, let's look in. Yes, it's really stinky, breathe it in. I know it's a lot, the sheep, the ox, but the baby can sit in a box. What can I say except you're welcome? For the roof, the walls, the straw. Yeah, it's okay, you're welcome. You could have had the rich, but the poor. Hey, what has who comes and also is wise, and just turned up by surprise. These guys, when the nights got cold, decided to bring a brick of gold. You're looking at him, yo. Oh, also I bought you some myrrh. You're welcome. I'm not really sure what it's for. Frankincense I bring with me. You're welcome. See how generous are we? So what can we say except you're welcome for these gifts we have brought to you? There's no need to pay, it's okay, you're welcome. It's all for the King of the Jews. You're welcome, you're welcome. Well, let me just step in, kids. Honestly, I could go on and on. I can explain every natural phenomenon. The sun, the sea, the land. I did all of that just with one hand. I met a man and created his wife. They ate from the tree and it caused me great strife. What's the lesson? What is the takeaway? Listen to God and try not to stray away. And this baby here in the bed, I've been born to fulfill what I said. Baby, can you make everything happen? Look at that community, just tippity tapping. Well, anyway, let's say you're welcome for giving you my son. Hey, it's okay, you're welcome. We'll think that love has won. Whenever you pray, let's say you're welcome. 'Cause you're my children I love. I'm here every day, you're welcome. 'Cause I'm your father up above. You're welcome, and thank you.